Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing fine. Today, I have come to you with a very interesting topic. As we move ahead in this journey of life, we carry a lot of stuff, a lot of hurts, a lot of mistakes, a lot of guilt, a lot of I could, I should, a lot of stuff we carry as we move during this journey of life. And as we keep moving ahead, it gets heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier. And then it just stops us from moving ahead in life in a more joyful or a more positive way. So today I'm going to tell you certain things you have to drop from your life if you really want to travel light, happy, joyful, fruitful, successful, wealthful, and healthful life ahead. You need to drop a lot of things from your life. So, what do you have to drop? First thing, drop comparison. When you look at someone else, you may feel this person is everything which you don't have. But remember, like like everybody in life has their plus and minus. So you are just looking at the plus points of that person, you are not looking at the minus. On the other side, you're looking at your own minuses rather than pluses. Everybody is unique, everybody is different, everybody has their plus and minuses. So instead of focusing on the minuses, on the pluses of others, focus on your own plus and stop comparing yourself. So drop comparison. The second thing you need to drop is to drop your past. You cannot go back and change anything. So it's very, very important that you learn from your past, learn from that mistake, and then drop it. Whatever had happened, just drop it. Do not tag it along in your journey. Keep looking back, keep wailing about it. You know, most of us have created this self created mandala where we go and you know cry bitter tears every day thinking about the mistakes we've done in life. I would suggest create that mandala and go there and pray for the success, visualize your success instead. So drop your past is the second thing. Third thing, you need to drop expectations. That's the worst thing. If I do this for you, you do this for me. If I've done this for this one, that one will do that for me. Stop expectations. When you have expectations and you don't get them back, you really, really suffer. And if you do not have any expectations and you serve others without expectations and something comes back to you, I think that will be something you'll always cherish forever. So, third thing, drop expectations. The fourth thing you need to drop is dropping judgments. Just drop judging people. We don't know. We don't know the real story. We are only looking at one side of the coin. Everybody has a story in their life. Everybody is suffering in their. They may not be showing you the true thing, but maybe there is something behind it. You know, every coin has two sides. So do not be judgmental unless it is something to really be judgmental for. So normally you would realize that whatever you are thinking or judging about the other person is absolutely wrong. So drop judgments. The next thing you have to drop is to drop being ungrateful. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for what God has given you. There are so many people around who do not even have what you have and they wish for the things you have. So be grateful for whatever you have. Whatever is going to come to you will come to you. Whatever is not meant for you will not come to you. So accept this truth of life and be grateful for whatever God has given you. So drop being ungrateful. The next thing you need to drop is drop pleasing people. You know, in the matter of pleasing people, in going all out to please people, you suffer a lot and people take advantage of you. They will fire a gun from your shoulder and you will stand very willingly with that shoulder in front of them. So stop pleasing people. Don't be a people's pleaser because ultimately they will start treating you like a doormat. So with your dignity, do whatever best you can. Whatever is not in your power, don't suffer just because you have to please someone. So learn to say no. So drop pleasing people. The next thing you need to drop is drop your worries. Very important. Whatever is in your power, whatever you can do about that situation, do it. But there is just no point worrying about something which is not in your hand. So when you have done everything, just surrender to Almighty and push. The full form of push is pray until something happens. So surrender it to Him. Have faith. If He's given you a problem, He will give you a solution too. So drop your worries. And the last and most important thing is drop your hurts. We carry little things, इसने ये कहा, that person has said this to me, that person has said that to me. All those hurts you carry, again the baggage becomes very heavy. So it's very important to drop your hurts and forgive people. There was a lady who was carrying a huge load of all these things on her head. People have done this to me, I have done this, has happened to me, that has happened to me. Huge, this sack of things she was carrying on her head, and she was falling and falling, couldn't even move. And she kept praying, God, can you please make it lighter? You've given me such a big load to carry. Can you lighten this burden a little bit? I don't want to keep falling every 2 minutes. So God heard her prayers, and He says, okay, I will make it lighter for you, the load you're carrying. So come with me, I'll take you to my go down. Whichever stuff looks, sack looks lighter to you, you can put it on your head. I'm giving you a choice. So she went to the go down, and she started checking out the weight of each sack which was kept there. And she found a very light one, and she kept it on her head and said, thank God, God, you have saved me. This is so much lighter. God laughed at her and said, you know what? You've picked up your own sack bag because you think that's the lightest. We don't know what people are suffering around us. People carry such heavy loads. Be grateful. Your load is much lighter. Think about it, and please remember to drop these things from your life. And I'm sure if you start dropping them one by one, you will feel very joyful, very peaceful. I will meet you again very soon with another topic. Till then, take care of yourself.